Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate. So first, go ahead and open your Roblox right here on your browser, here on roblox.com. And all you're going to do is click this create button at the top, right over here. So create that one and you will prompt right here. Just click this manage my experiences. So click this one and then you will find this page. So all you're gonna do is click this place or your place actually right here, and here on overview you can have these options right here, associated items, and then click these passes right here, and all you have to do is click this create a pass button. Now you need to upload image or logo for your passes. So right here, so for example, I will use this badge right here and edit this name for this Game Pass, and then click this create pass. Now wait for a few seconds. Now once you've done, click again this pass right here, and then go to the sales at the left part of your screen and then toggle on this item for sale. Now you need to remind that creator earnings has 70%. So I'll put this one 20. So I get 14 and click on save changes. Now it was updated successfully. Now if I go back and play this one, I can now make a Game Pass in Please Donate. I just want to go to the homepage of Roblox and again connect here on Please Donate Gameplay, and just game close right here and claim this stand right over here. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.